Go tell Dusty.
A bottle.
Bathroom, go tell Dusty. Go tell Dusty. Go tell Dusty who came.
I see you got present. Dusty.
Wake him up, shake him. Say, wake up, Dusty.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good.
Tell him Santa came.
Okay.
But wait till Dusty's awake. Dustin, a magical thing have happened. Dustin, come look. Wait, Dustin, look.
What?
Santa came.
Santa came and brought presents. Look. Oh, look at the cookie. Look at the cookie, Dust.
He ate the cookie. Harlan.
Drank the milk.
You can open one. Don't open. Oh, why don't we do stockings? Thanks.
Open this one.
That's not for you. Isn't that for Harlan? It's not for Harlan.
Harlan. That's for Harlan. That's for Harlan.
Maybe Harlan will want his.
That one, right? That one, right?